Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I've been getting this video request for a while now, so if you guys want to get all Sims 4, all of them, DLC, the packs, every single bit of things you can get, follow this video if you want to get them all for free. This is the video you guys want. I have honestly not seen that much videos on YouTube about this, so this is gonna be a very simple video. I'm gonna get straight into it and then straight to the point, so you guys don't have to skip through the video, okay? So first things first, click the link in the description. I already did it, so I'm just gonna show you the steps you need to take. So it goes down, downloads, starting them by the date, because I can't find that. There we go. Okay, so this is the updated. This is the first thing you need to open. So once you get the up there, use your WinRAR or whatever extraction tool you guys have, extract it, click on it, open it. Recommend running it as admin too as well. So once you open it, X off that. It's gonna ask you, this is a free program. If you pay for your scan, blah blah blah. But it's gonna ask you to find your Sims folder, right? So I got the Steam folder already populated. That's fine. And when you click update, it's gonna ask you, is this a legitimate copy, or is it a pirated copy? You want to be honest with the program, so you can tell them that yes, it's a legitimate copy of The Sims. And then you click yes. And if it's not a legitimate copy, click no. And it will also fix your game. So if it's not a legitimate copy, it will crack it for you and fix it. And if it's a legitimate copy, it will download all DLCs for The Sims. So if you click update, it's gonna ask you this question: is this a legitimate copy? Blah 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 blah. Now you click yes. Once you click yes, it's gonna download all the things. I already updated my game, so I don't need to update the game because this is gonna take forever. But once you first update, it's probably gonna take you, well, I have a 1 gigabit down internet speed, so it's probably took me like 30 minutes to download all the DLC. So once you do that, you're good. You download all DLCs. The next step you wanna take is to go into the EA DLC Unlocker folder. You're gonna go over here, click setup, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit 1, and then once you hit 1, it's gonna install the DLC Unlocker. I'm not really sure why this is not installed, but it's already installed on my computer anyways. But you hit 1, and then you press enter, and then it's gonna pop up like that. It's already installed. I'm not really sure what's saying that. Then you basically follow the steps again. Install EA DLC Unlocker. Then you need to click add and update game config. After you click that, it's going to basically update your game folder and everything. And then after that, you are set. It's gonna install everything. Once you install that, you can exit out of it. Now, you go to your Steams. So go to Steam, find your Sims 4, wherever you have it. Let me pop this open here. Then you go to Sims, right? Then you're gonna play it just to verify that it actually installed all your DLCs. That's all you need to verify. It's gonna pop up with EA and everything. You don't have to worry about that because you already unlocked the DLC and everything. So your game should work fine, so just give it a second. Once that loads up, you'll be in game, and you'll just verify you have all your DLC. Taking quite a bit. It's been a long time since I played The Sims. Probably like, I don't know, it didn't tell me, but here we go. Yeah. So once you got it popped up now, just skip through all this madness. Come on. I'm gonna give it a second to load because it's gonna load literally all the DLC that you purchased. Okay, so we're gonna click that. Now we're gonna go to the packs. As you can see, I literally own all of them now. Every single DLC owned. So that's literally the best way for you guys to get all the DLC you want. That's literally all the packs, and you also get the kits too as well. As you can see, all of them says I own them. And let me tell you, I did not purchase these. None of them. I did not purchase not one. You don't believe me? Let's hop over to my Steam account. Click DLC. Prove it to you. See, I do not own any of these DLCs. So yeah, you guys, this is the best way to get all the free DLCs, all the DLCs for free. Pretty much follow that simple steps.